right, look at this one again. Okay, so we just solve similar one. Okay, so which number will come next? You can pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so we have 22, 21, 23, 22, 24. Okay, so solution, so 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23, and the next one. Okay, so let's look at the first two. So 22, 21. So 22 to 21, I think it's down by 1. Okay, from this side to this side it's down by 1, so minus 1. Okay, now let's check this. So 21, 23, so 22, 23, so we have plus 2. Okay, 23 to 22, we are down by 1. Then 22, 24 plus 2. Okay, look, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2. So let's confirm from here, minus 1. So it means that the next one will be plus 2. So what do you think the answer will be? So this side will be 25. Okay, as simple as that.